Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to add images to your product descriptions in Shopify. Adding images helps showcase your products better and gives customers more details before they make a purchase. Let's get started. Go to your dashboard and click on Products on the left side. From here, click on the product where we want to add an image. For this example, we will use the shirt. We will add a picture to this product. To add a picture, go to the Media section and click Upload New, or we can click to select an existing image. Here is the picture we are using for the shirt. Let's wait for it to upload. As we can see, the image has been successfully added to the description. Now we can adjust a few settings, like the compare price. When we are done, we simply click Save. And that's how we add images to product descriptions in Shopify. Using images makes product pages more engaging and can help boost conversions.